Khan. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the automation of recruitment process using all the free tools that are available. So basically, the organizations are losing uh, almost half day of productivity each week because of their lengthy manual processes. So using free tools, companies or organizations can easily fast track their communication and improve their collaboration within the teams. So in this video, we are going to learn about basically three tools that are available, although there are many other tools are available as well. So the first one is Trello. It is a very simple tool that is used to monitor small projects, to collaborate with teams, and follow up with your teams, follow up on the progress of the teams. You can easily use Trello boards for your personal to-do list as well. There is another very amazing tool, software Asana. Asana is similar to Trello as well, but it is much more comprehensive, providing you much more options. You can create tasks, you can connect those tasks with their parent task to child task, and even you can connect task and you can create dependencies upon tasks. So one task won't start unless the following dependent task has been completed. And there's another tool, one of the most amazing tool for tech teams, JIRA. So mainly JIRA is used for project management, software project management, where project managers assign issues or tasks or tickets to their developers. But HR can use it as to automate their recruitment or even HR processes by creating different boards. So we will start with Trello because it is the simplest tool of the other two. Trello boards are simply very easy to create. So it is free to use. You can use it for free team. You can use it for your small teams as well. Like for it is free for 5 to 10 team members. So once you log in with your email in Trello, you will be able to see this screen. I have created my workplace with the name of my hiring board. Now the next step is to create a new board. So either I can use already available templates from here, or I can create my own Trello board, my own template. So let's see what templates are already available under HR and operations. So here you go. We have recruitment pipeline risk report, hiring and recruiting board by Crimble, and so on. You can pick any of these and you can have a look which one suits your organization. So let me create my own board, a very simple one for to manage my recruitment, and I will name this board uh, my first hiring board. I will like to keep it private. I can always choose different themes. There are few free themes available just to make the background more exciting. So by default, there are three stages already marked in this Trello board. But since my recruitment process in my organization is a bit different, so I will customize it as per my need. So first card that I want to create is open position. I have different open positions in my organization because I want to tell my team which positions are we hiring for. So it is very important that they are clear that we are hiring for these available positions. So you can add unlimited number of cards, and within each card you can add the job descriptions as well. So it's up to you how you want to create the visibility for your team. So I added a new file. So a new file is added with full stack developer JD. The JD gets downloaded, but if this is in PDF format, it will open in a preview format. So there's another way that I can make So there's another way I can add details of the JD right in the description box, and I can always mark my team members as well. Since no team member has been added, so I will have to add my team member so they can view this board and they can comment as well. So this is the first position that I have open in my organization, and I am adding it in the Trello board so my team members, my team can see the JDs and they can start working on the position. So the next step that I can add here is screened CVs. I'll tell you in a bit how this is going to work, the flow. Shortlisted for interview scheduled, interview done, and see and pending is the next stage. Rejected, prepare offer, offer placed, offer accepted, joined, and so on. You can add as many stages you want. So once my team starts sourcing candidate for full stack developer position, as soon as they get a relevant CV, they start adding the CVs here, and they start tagging. They start adding labels like that, so the manager can easily understand which candidate for which position is being added. So I have added Jonathan as a worthy candidate for this position. I can always add description about Jonathan as per my initial screening telephone or initial conversation. So Jonathan, notice period is 1 month, and I can also tag my team member so they get notification as well. So this card is tagged to this team member, so they will get notification each time any changes is done within this card. And since this is related to this job, I can copy the link of this Trello card, and I can link this card to this candidate profile. So whenever someone opens this Jonathan CV, they will know that it is related to full stack developer position, although I have mentioned in the heading as well. Now I have another candidate to add, Salesforce position, and here you go. I'm adding Sarah's position and tagging my team member. I can add as many profiles I like. So since this is going to be linked with Salesforce, so I copy the job, the link of the JD, and link the card with the Salesforce developer JD card. So I have screened two CVs. Now someone has to shortlist them and assume that it is one of the technical managers. So they move this CV to the shortlisted for interview stage, and the HR knows that they need to schedule this candidate. Once they schedule, they move this card to interview schedule, and suppose this candidate has been scheduled on 10th of May at 11 a.m. and it gets notified to this team member as well, so they are aware that this candidate has been scheduled. Once they have interviewed the candidate, they will move it to the scene pending, and they will add their comments here as a interview feedback. So you keep on moving candidates from stages to stages. The team gets notified, and the progress of the HR is communicated to everyone who are part of this board. So Asana is similar to Trello as well. One difference is that in Asana you get a list of tasks, and you get a board view as well. So Asana is a lot similar to this as well. Same as JIRA. In JIRA you can create a board, and you can create a task list as well, and you can link your task. You can add child task as well. And one more thing, in Asana you can always add a checklist. Same with Asana and Jira, you can add checklist in Trello as well. If you click over here, it says custom field, but it's in a free trial. Sorry, it's a checklist. Yes. Interview screening questions. This is the checklist. Now I can tell my team member, so my team member will know what is the process, what is the checklist to follow when doing screening of Jonathan. Ask about availability, ask about salary expectations, ask about joining date. So my team will know whenever we are doing screening for candidates, this is the typical checklist that we need to follow. Once they have followed the checklist, ask the question, they will simply check them out, and it will show the progress like this. Similarly, you can add a cover as well. You can add more custom fields. You can label this position as well, or this card, and you can create labels, and you can name those labels. For example, this is urgent. Red is for urgent. So whenever this is labeled as red, the team is going to know that this is an urgent task to you, and the red bar appears here. Similar is with Asana, and similar is with Jira. If you want that I can give you overview of Jira, how to use Jira in recruitment and HR operations, then I can make a separate video. It is a bit different. Then Trello with more options, same as Asana. Trello is very simple to manage your recruitment activities. Similarly, you can manage your HR operations in Trello, Asana, and JIRA as well. Hope you like my video. Keep sharing, keep subscribing my channel, and keep liking my videos so I can post more and more HR related videos.